Alright, you'll have to excuse the wind. Well, I don't have any more of the blocks, but that's fine because I need a spot like that right there to get in there and clean it out. But that's what we got. And hey man, these were just laying around. I bought them a couple years ago. Didn't know what to do with them. I just hope they hold up to the heat. I think they should. They're over an inch thick all the way around. What I'm probably going to do is get a few buckets of gravel and just go over the tops here. I don't want to use concrete. I don't believe in using concrete in the, out here in nature. And someday you want to do something different. You got to bust it all loose. I think a few buckets of like driveway gravel, 3/4 something like that would work. Not even that big, pea gravel. You just go in and fill around here. And there's cracks where air can get in and that. So I wasn't going for perfection here. Something had to be done with the old one. I think this will be a little more enjoyable. I don't have to worry so much about things blowing out of here. I'm always careful anyway. But there it is, man. There's some uneven spots. I wasn't going to screw with it. It'll settle over time. especially when I put the gravel in there. I'll pick some of them up at the hardware store. A few buckets of that. They can even put a scoop, I think, for 30 bucks in my truck. So there we go. I'm shot for the day. But yeah, I was down all weekend with my hip, but you know, I'm a firm believer. Get back out there and go at it. You sit on the couch all day, every day, you ain't never gonna be able to do nothing. So you gotta keep loose. My other camera went dead on me, so I've got my Sony. And I know it's windy, so we'll go ahead and end it here. I would normally light a fire, but we got 20-mile-an-hour winds coming. I don't want to have to deal with it. So there you go, folks. Little old fire pit. It's actually 6 feet in circumference. I cut a stick off. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. There's no such thing as a perfect circle, they say. Happy trails, folks.